If you are wondering how to charge your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so. We have the wired method and of course the wireless method. In the case of the wireless method, and I'm gonna start with this one, all you have to do is you just have to place your phone on top of the wireless charging pad and you should be able to start charging pretty much immediately, as you can see over here. Now, you can also use other wireless chargers or any methods that involve wireless charging. So this can be, for example, a wireless charger in your car. This might be something like charging with another device or with the help of another device, and so on and so forth. Generally speaking, you don't have to enable anything in order to be able to charge wirelessly. You just place your phone on top of the wireless charger. Just make sure that you position it correctly. If there is no connection or anything, if the phone doesn't want to start charging, you just might need to move it up or down a little bit. So of course, adjust it. And the second method is to use the cable, the USB cable. In my case, I have USB-C to USB-A, but of course, by default, we have USB-C to USB-C inside the box. And ideally, you want to use a power adapter or a charger, and this will allow you to charge your phone with potentially the fastest charging speed possible. So of course, you should get one, ideally. But if you don't have a power adapter yet, then you can use anything else that allows you to charge devices via USB cord. So this can be your laptop or computer, this can be your car once again, this can be a power bank, and so on and so forth. Of course, some methods are faster than other, as this is why the power adapter is the best choice. And if you want to use the USB cable, then of course you want to connect it to the USB-C port that we have here at the bottom of the device. So we're gonna plug it in over here just like that, and then we connect it to the power adapter, of course, and then we start charging, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.